Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Okay, guys. Today we will yesterday we have discussed about what finder methods, right? Yesterday we discussed about finder method. Everyone please concentrate. Yeah, finder methods are okay. Yeah, finder methods are abstract methods declared in our repository, which internally converted into SQL queries to perform entity operations and scalar operations on what? Database table. Entity operations and scalar operations on database table. Entity operation means selecting all column values of table. Scalar operation means what? Getting specific single column or multiple column values from database table. Scalar operations are also called as projections, guys. Projections, scalar operations, one and the same. Projections, scalar operations, one and the same. Understanding my statement? Come on. Okay. Okay. Now today our discussion is writing finder methods. Writing finder methods. Selecting multiple properties, finder methods using multiple properties based conditions. Okay. Condition. Multiple properties based condition. Yes. Right. Now listen. I want to get I want to get. Yeah, listen. I want to get vaccine details. I would like to get vaccine details um, based on given vaccine name and country name. Based on the given vaccine name and country name. This is my requirement. Same syntax, guys, but you have to involve multiple properties. And you can use AND clause, R clause. These clauses can be used in a regular fashion. Okay, if you open yesterday's document, guys, if you open yesterday's document, yeah, this is the most important part of yesterday's document. So if you look at that, there we are having and R clauses also. If you observe very carefully, and R clauses also. Okay, and R clauses also. See, there is end clause, R clause. Can you? Okay, there is an end clause, R clause. Are you observing it, boss? Yes. Let's come to our workspace now. You can write on two columns end clause, on the result R clause, on two columns R clause, on the result again end clause. Every permutation and combination is possible, boss. But only the thing is length. Length of the method will increase like anything. The length of method will increase anything. Okay, guys. Yes. Report.java, guys. Already so many methods are there. Okay. Using multiple properties based conditions. Public, come on. Public, your choice. List corona vaccine. List corona vaccine. Find by same. Find by what is that? Name and country. Find by name equals and country equals. Or if no condition is applied, what is the default condition? Equals, right? Okay, find by name and country. Okay, first one string name, next one string country. So and operator is applied. So now tell me what is the story here. The story is this one. What is the generated query, guys? From corona vaccine, where name is equal to question mark and country is equal to question mark. Name is equal to question mark and country is equal to question mark. Yes, end operator is applied here, boss. Now come to this place. Okay, now listen. Public list, corona vaccine. Public list, corona vaccine. Now tell me. Search vaccine. Search vaccines by name and country. Search vaccines by name and country. Tell me. String name, comma, string country, semicolon. Right. Come to implementation class, guys. Yes, in the service class. Come to implementation class. Here is my corona repo dot. Corona repo dot. Tell me, what is the method we are getting? Fetch a find. Find by name and country. Yes, here also we are passing name and country. Done, guys. Go to runner class now. Go to runner class now. Yeah. Service dot search vaccines by name and country. Okay. First vaccine name is Sputnik. Sputnik. Next country. Okay. I want to get USA. Both the things. Dot for each. Dot for each. Tell me. System dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. Done, guys. Yeah, you will get multiple details, guys. Don't worry. You will get vaccines. Execution is completed, but no output is coming. How come? Or does it taking time? I think it is taking time. Yes, I think satisfying this. Okay, I think satisfying this, there are no records. Why? Smoothnik belongs to Russia, boss. Right? That's why not there. Okay, no problem. Pfizer, end class now, boss. Both should be satisfied. Both should be satisfied. Yeah, satisfying this, yes, definitely there is one record and we are getting it. Okay, don't worry about that. Check it out. Name is equal to question mark and country is equal to question mark. Kema, not Kema. End class is happening. That's important, guys. Okay. Now, same thing you can write like this also, no doubt in that. Come here. Equals also you can write, not a issue. Same method you can also write like this. Or, okay. Find by name equals and country equal first property condition and second property condition. Find by name equals and find by country equals. Return find by name equals and country equals. Done, boss. And go to runner. Go to runner. Yes, you'll get the same result. Hey, keep on saying the same statement, guys. If you want, you can write is equals also. Is also you can write. Come on. Okay. Now I want to have a R class now. I want to have a R class. Right. Now listen. What is the R class? R class with collections. With collections, guys. What is with collections? R class with in class I want to use. R class with like we will go for. Either 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 vaccine name should start with P or vaccine name should start with P or uh, price price should be between 400 to 600. Either condition should be satisfied, guys. Now, vaccine name should start with P or price should be between 400 to 600. This is my requirement. Now listen. First you write the query for it. Where where name like P percentile and price between price between question mark and question mark. Are you comfortable, guys? Price between question mark and question mark. Here also, if you want, you can keep on question mark, right? But for clarity purpose, I am going here. So for okay, if you want to get clarity here, price between 400 and 600. Okay. How to write finder method for it was find by what's the first property, guys? What's the first property? Find by name like. Find by name like and price between. I think price between. Are you understanding my point? Okay. Find by name like and price between. Price between. Okay. Here, what is this? Name initial characters. Name init characters. Next. What's the next one, guys? Price between. Price between means what? Start range into start range, comma, into end range. Into start range, comma, into end range. Okay. I think we have taken in double process. Okay, double fine. Double start range, comma, double end range. Cool, guys. Now tell me next one. Copy this, boss. Public list corona vaccine. Search vaccines by. Okay, I think we want to go by R now, boss. Okay, 1 minute. We decided to go by R, 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 R. Yes, ORR. Now tell me. Search vaccines by search name. Okay. Name initial characters. Name unit chars and price range. Price range. Name name characters. Name chars. Okay. Here is what? Double start range and double end range. Okay, guys. I think R. Okay. R price range. You are right. Come here, boss. Corona report dot. Come on. Corona report dot. Find by. Okay. Find by R. Where is that method? Country name. No, that, not that. Where is that? What's the method we have taken? Find by name. Find by name R. Yes. All right. This one. Name characters P. We are using like means we have to go for P percentile. Start range 400.0. End range 600.0. Dot for each. Oh, sorry. This is not a client application. You are right. Yeah. Name characters. Next one is what? Start range, end range. Okay. One is start range, another one is end range. Service dot. Okay. Now, what is the method? Search vaccines by. Okay. Name unit character. See length of the methods, guys. P percentile 400.0. Next 500.0. Okay. I just give another two things. I don't want to waste your time and my time. Okay. For each system dot out colon println. Done, boss. I think we are getting multiple records here. Check the last part of this one. Yeah, like was like related condition. Okay. Then here R, price between this and this. And if you observe the results, guys, total 4 records have come. First record came because its name is Pfizer, though price is out of range. Second record came because of price range. Third record came because of price range. Fourth record came because of price range. Did you notice that, boss? Yes. Okay, boss. Now, now I'm asking one question, boss. I want you people to write one query. Every query I should write. Let's let's write. You write one query in the chat box, guys. I want to get corona vaccine details. Corona vaccine details. Okay. I want to write corona vaccine details, everyone. Okay. Based on, listen, based on given two country names and based on given two country names and based on, okay, given price range. Based on given two or three country names, like in many any number of country names, okay, and based on given price range, and based on given price range. Can you write query here? Can you write finder method? No, complete method I want. Ganesh, I want complete method. Chaitanya wrong. Chaitanya wrong. I don't want select query Abhishek Singh. I want finder method. I want finder method. No, listen. I want to get corona vaccine details based on given one or two or three country names and price range. And price range. And price range. Govardhan Reddy. Yes, you are right. Govardhan Reddy, right. Seshbhushan Ja, wrong. Seshbhushan Ja, again wrong. I asked end class and you have given wrong cause. I want complete method signature. Kishore, right. JRK Kaladar, wrong. Seshbhushan Ra, wrong. Santosh, right. I'll check few people's, not everyone's. Pravalika, please write complete method. Complete method. Yes, Nikhil, right. Manoj, right. Okay, now please try to cross verify, guys. Please try to cross verify. First, write the query. Corona vaccine, where, where country in, uh, we will write multiple countries, either one country or two country, or then price between this and this. Price between this and this. Remembered? In class you forgot. We need to use win class, right? Now let's see. Okay. Public list corona vaccine. Okay. Find by country. In. Find by country in. And price between. Price between. When it is country in, what is the story, guys? Collection. Collection, you can take string list also, no problem. Collection countries. Collection countries. Double start range, double end range. Control plus shift plus O. Java dot util dot collection, boss. Yes, see guys, find by country in and price between. I hope you are able to differentiate. How many of you written correct one? How many of you written correct one? No. No, you prefer taking collection, not the varrox. Why? Varrox should be there as a last parameter. But if you write as a last parameter, it will go to price one. If you write as last parameter, it will go to price one. Are you getting my point? If it is going to price one, it will be problem. Is that clear? In which order these condition clauses are there, property clauses are there, in the same order these will be used. Okay, boss. Now listen. Now remaining things are dot. Search vaccines by countries and search vaccines by countries and price range. Okay. Where arg should be last parameter of should not be initial parameter. If you write, you will get error. So now here we cannot use where args. Okay. No, is the service method we can change order here. It's not like that. Why to take tension? Here also maintain same order. Go for list. List is also not a bad now, boss. List countries, double start range and double end range. Super, guys. Go for implementation. Yes, I'm going for implementation here. Return, what is that? Corona repo dot. Corona repo dot. Find by country in price range. Same story, guys. Let it be. Next, here is the story. Service dot. What is this? Service dot. Fetch vaccines or search vaccines. Search vaccines. Search vaccines by countries and price range. List of USA, Russia. I think I have taken I capital or smaller, guys, in India. In the India's one, I have taken I capital or smaller. Oh, India records are deleted. As of now, we are having only Russia, USA. Anyhow, R class only. R class only. Next one. Price range 500.0, 700.0. As usually for each, tell me, system dot out colon println. System dot out colon println. Fine, guys. Regular one. Okay. Here you observe country in 3 question marks. And see, category. Price between this and this. End class is applied. End class is applied. Takes time to habituate, but once you habituate, you'll enjoy like anything. I hope you got that enjoyment or not. But slowly observe method names are increasing like anything. Method names are increasing like anything, right? Okay. Fine. Now let me ask one more query. On two properties and class, on the result R class. On two properties and class, on the result R class. Yes, what is that? I will tell. I want to get corona vaccines based on given countries list. Come on. Countries list. Countries list. Vaccine names list. Countries list and vaccine names list or price range. Okay, or price greater than or equal to 700. Or price greater than or equal to given value. I think you are getting my point, guys. I want to get corona vaccines based on countries list and names list are okay based on the given price greater than or equal to given value. Okay, please write complete method. You write. Don't write just one thing. Kishore, find by country in and name in or price greater than list string double price. Yes, you are right, guys. Kishore is right. Devash Pandey, price between. Arre, Devash Pandey, I asked price greater than. Price greater than. Greater than or equal to. Right. Raja is also right. Seshbhushan, find by country. In is missing mouse. Seshbhushan, something is missing. Check your query. Array, countries is not there, my dear. Who is this guy? Akhil. Countries is not there. Kundan Kumar. Country in, name in, or price greater than. You are right. Kundan Kumar, right. Ganesh Bale. Country in and name in is missing, Ganesh. Name in is missing, Ganesh. Check it out. Santosh, you are wrong. I may be right. 1 minute. Name in and country in are price greater than. Right. Okay. Now verify yourself. Verify yourself. So first of all, this is my condition. You write this query, then maximum problem will be gone, guys. Where country in and name in this number of question marks depends upon how many inputs you are giving. Name in, these two are in a bracket. Yes, or price greater than or equal to, come on guys, price greater than or equal to question mark, or price greater than or equal to question mark, guys. Are you understanding my statement? Yes. Okay, greater than only I said, fine, I'll go for greater than. I think we already experimented greater than, then we'll go for greater than or equal to today. This is what I want to write. Up to this common, guys, put it. Find by country in and name in or price greater than equals. Price greater than equals. Tell me now. Collection string countries. Collection string names. Next, price, double price range. Price start range. I think you got it. I hope everyone cross-verified. Cross-verified or not. But ultimately method names are lengthy, no doubt in that. Oh, error has come. Why? greater than or greater than equals, greater than equals, than equals is not there. Huh? Is there now, boss? Greater than equal, equal, not equals. It's equal, right? Save it, gone. Yes, boss. Greater than equal. Done, guys. Come here. Copy this. Corona vaccine. Search vaccines by. Search vaccines by. Tell me. What is next? By countries. Countries and names are. Come on, guys. Are price range. Are by price range. List countries, guys. Next, list string names, guys. Next, double price range. Double start range. Okay. Okay, guys. Rajesh Magar, we are giving all these things by convention. So what's the problem for when we are giving things by convention? It is easy for what? Spring Data JPA to generate SQL queries, native SQL queries. Nagesh Magar, after listening entire Ramayana, you are asking who is Sita, you know. What is my initial statement? Tell me. Everyone, please look at the question asked by Rajesh Magar. What is my initial statement? These are abstract method which will be internally converted into SQL queries dynamically, right? Did I say that statement or not? Responder, dirty fellow. Did I give that statement or not? Now you are asking how it is converting. Converting means what? It is generating SQL queries internally. It is generating SQL queries. And when things are there by convention, what's the problem to generate SQL queries? So that's the reason I'm wantedly teaching SQL query and its method so that you can interlink, right? For all these methods, internally, native SQL queries will be generated and they will be sent to database software. We'll get the record and those records into result set object. From there, they will be mapped to list collection and that list collection is going. Are you understanding my point there? Okay. Right. Right. Got it, this boss. Now go for implementation. Implementation. Okay. See, earlier writing code on your own is a headache. Now you are not able to digest. Sir, how it is doing? How it is doing? Array, if it is doing problem, if it is not doing problem, what is this, boss? Right? Okay. Now you are not able to digest how it is doing. Great fellows, guys. Corona report. Tell me. Find by. Where is this? Find by country. Find by country in. I think this one. Country in and name in. Countries, names, start range. Nice, guys. Come here. Let's go for search. Service dot. service dot search vaccines. Where is that? Search vaccines by countries and price range. Yes, price range. Okay, first one, list dot of India. Anyhow, R clause only between them. Next, USA. Next, one is India, other one is USA, other one is what? Other one is USA, other one is Russia. That's the first argument, guys. Second argument, name. List dot of. First one is Mutnik. First one is Mutnik. Second one is what is this? Vaccine name ra babu. Pfizer. Pfizer. Okay, only two things I have given. Only two things I have given. Third one. What is third one, guys? Third one, price range. Let me give 500. Yes. Third one is price range. Right, guys. Here, what is that? Dot for each. System dot out colon println. That's it. System dot out colon println. Enter. Okay, satisfying. So many things are there, but we will see here. Country in has come, name in has come, because two things are given. That's why two things. And lastly, what is there? Lastly, price greater than or equal to. We got what? Price greater than or equal to. Are you able to see that, guys? But see, guys, suppose on the top of it, I want to apply order by kind of thing. On the top of it, I want to apply what? Order by kind of thing. Now think about, again, method name becomes more lengthy or not. So writing lengthy method names is not that much good, guys. That's not at all good. Understanding my statement? Okay. So then what is alternate, sir? The alternate is better to work with @query methods, where we can write the queries by using JPQL or HQL. If you need a native SQL queries, directly we can write. You giving method by convention and that converting into SQL query, why all these things? You can directly give HQL query or JPQL query or native SQL query. HQL JP queries will be written based on entity, class names and properties as a database software independent queries. Native SQL queries will be written based on table names and column names as a database software dependent queries. Native SQL means original SQL queries, guys. Why they are called native SQL? They are written in a format, in a language, or in an environment that is understood by underlying database software. That is understood by under native one. Native one means what? Underlying database software. Right. So that's why this is a problem, no doubt in that. But this one is also having solution. What is the solution? You have to work with @query methods. Right. Example. Examples. Method declarations in where? Repository interface. Method declarations in repository interface. Cool, guys. Method declarations in repository interface. That's it, guys. Okay. So now let me give a note here. Okay. Writing finder methods. Writing finder methods by involving multiple properties based conditions, okay, is increasing the method, increasing the length of the method names, length of the method names, okay, length of the method names, and killing the readability, killing the readability. Okay, how it is killing the readability? Actually, tell me, find by countries better wording, find by country better wording. Are you finding by single country? No. You are finding by multiple countries. That's a find by countries is better wording. And find by names. Names, plural should come, right? But we are forced to write property names here. Since we are forced to write property names, somehow readability is killed or not killed. And killing the readability. Okay. To overcome this problem, overcome these problems, use @query, @query based, @query based custom methods, custom methods, custom methods of repository interface. Interface where we can write. Come on, guys. Where we can write. JPQL is, I already is given idea. JPQL is a specification, planning kind of thing. HQL is the implementation. Where we can write JPQL or HQL or native SQL queries directly. Native SQL queries directly. Queries directly. Okay. No. Directly linking with custom method declaration. Yeah, that's the second discussion, but before that, some more things are there to do. Linking with custom method declaration. Custom methods declaration. Yes. This time, no generation. We are going to write. So, method name is our choice. Since we are going to write, method name is our choice, guys. Right, guys. Now, listen. Performing scalar operations or projections. Scalar operations are projections using finder methods. Using finder methods. This is my requirement now. So, using finder methods, I would like to do. Right. Selecting specific single column or multiple column values. Selecting specific single column or multiple column values. Okay, multiple column values from DB table records. From DB table records is called scalar operations. Scalar operations are working with projections. Are working with projections. Is called scalar operations are simply working with what concept, guys? Projections concept. Which concept? Projections concept. Right. Okay, guys. The finder methods of Spring Data JPA supports two types of projections, guys. Two types of projections. I think already I have given clarity on scalar query and entity query. Entity query means selecting all column values. Scalar query means selecting specific multiple column values. I think I have given some example queries also other day, right? Okay, just keep them in mind. So the finder methods of Spring Data API support two types of projections, guys. Number one, static projections. Static projections. What they will do? Allows to select specific fixed column values. We cannot change column names time to time, guys. Specific fixed column values. Specific fixed column values. Okay, in the bracket, either single or multiple. Specific fixed column values. Next, dynamic projections, guys. Allows to select specific varying column value, varying column values. Are here name and country means forever name and country, but here we have a choice. Sometimes it can be name and country, sometimes it can be country and price, sometimes it can be other three, other four. That depends. Okay, we can vary them. Allows to select specific varying column values, either single or multiple. That's up to you. But specific multiple column or specific single. Here columns can be varied time to time, but here you cannot vary. Okay. But we have a big question now. See, earlier we are selecting all column values of records. So to receive them and store them, we have a corona vaccine object. Entity class object is there, right? So now I want to select name and country. Name and country. Okay. Select query goes, gets the records into result set. Okay. Now I want to map them to which object? Earlier, entire record means we can map into entity class object. Now we are getting only two column values. Is there any object? Is there any entity class like that, which is having just two properties? Which is having just two properties? Not there, right? Do you have anything like that? Do you have anything like that? Okay, now taking object array is problematic. Why, sir? Object array means generic values, boss. Someone is saying that, sir, take object array. No. I want to have a specific things. Because object array will lead to typecasting issues, guys. You have to create a separate entity. But problem is, already entity class is there. Why should I create one more entity? Already entity class is there. Why should I write one more entity? It's meaningless or not? That's why, listen, listen. You have to create one interface having declaration of getter method on the properties you want. Just getter method, just getter methods, guys. Implementation class will be generated by whom? Because you need a type to store those specific 2-column values. Implementation class will be given by whom? Spring Data JPA. That means while working with the projection, total 2 in-memory proxy class will come. One is for your interface, another one is for repository interface. Okay, we'll see that one later. Okay, working with the static projections. Static projections. While dealing with entity queries, which selects all column values from records, we can store each record into an object of entity class. But while working with scalar queries, we need to define okay, we need to define certain type to hold specific singular multiple column values. Singular multiple column values. We need to define certain type to hold specific singular multiple column values. Okay. That is, what is that? Custom interface having, what is that? Having declaration of getter methods for our choice singular multiple properties. Singular multiple properties. Okay, guys. Now listen carefully. Step number 1. To work with static projection, step number 1. Define one type interface. What interface? Type interface having getter methods of specific singular multiple properties. Specific singular multiple properties. This is the first one, guys. What is this? Public interface. Yeah, you can take in a separate package or in the same package, your choice. Okay, public interface. Okay, first let me Y2 write 2 times. We'll go here. Close all editors, guys. Right, guys. Yeah, what is that? Finder methods, scalar queries, or projections. Industry knows this topic by projections a lot. Yes. Finder method projections. Done, boss. Yeah, we'll commit the code. Don't worry about it. Team commit. What is this? Finder methods. Entity queries. Done, boss. Now come to this. When come to this package, if you want, you can take a separate interface, separate package. Also, not a issue. Package com dot nt uh, type. We are defining our own type now, boss. That's right. Interface I am taking result view. Array, some name, guys. Some name. Some name. Result view. Not like take some other name. Result view. I'm taking one thing. So what are the two properties I want to take? Two properties, two columns I want to select. So one is country, other one is name. Okay. So here, what is this? Public string get name, public string get country. Just getter methods are sufficient. Just getter methods are sufficient, guys. Okay, implementing this interface is not your responsibility. This will be taken care by what? Spring Data JPA. Implementing this interface, uh, uh, one in-memory proxy class will be generated by whom? Spring Data JPA. That means while working with projections, total 2 in-memory proxy classes will be generated. One is implementing our type view interface. It's a type interface. Number 2 is implementing this one. So there is no need of writing. If properties are there, you can write @getter. Please concentrate. Someone is asking, sir, write @getter. Now, why are you declaring manually? Did I have any properties here? Any properties declaration? You can use Lambda API when properties are declared to get the getter setter method. Right now, not there. That's why I have to take it. Kundan Kumar, please observe properly. Yeah, please make sure that these names part are matching a lot. If our name is small letter, no problem. According to Java method conventions, you can take uppercase letters. Okay, result view. Result view dot Java. Yes. Next one. Declare finder method. Declare finder method in our repository interface. Declare finder method in our repository interface involving the above type interface in the return type. In the return type. Above type interface in the return type. Yes. Have a look, guys. Yeah. Go to repository interface, my dear. Let's empty this. I think I pasted writing finder method based on multiple properties and condition. I pasted this code now, boss. Yes. Okay. Now listen. Public list. Earlier we used to write corona vaccine. Why? We are selecting all the column values because our queries are entity queries. We are using finder methods to generate entities. But right now what, guys? Specific multiple. Already type is defined where? Here. So that's why list of result view. List of result view. Yeah, static projection na Dilip. You should go for one more interface if you want to change the properties. I already used the word static. Static. Are you getting my point? Right. Public list result view. Okay, guys. Right, boss. Next one. Yeah, if you want to have more permutations and combinations of these static properties or static projection, you have to take more. You have to take more and more what? This one. Now listen. Public result view, as usually, find by find by. So our conditions we can write, guys. Find by, what do you want to get? Find by given countries, find by price range. Okay, find by price range. I want to get country column and name column, but I want to get based on the price range. Find by price, find by price greater than equal, and order by price. Again, I want to go by order by price. Equal, yes, order by. Here, what is this, guys? Double start price. Double order by. Okay, 1 minute. Order by. Control plus shift plus O. Save it. Is there any problem in the method, guys? Okay. Ashish, yes. Ashish, yes. Array, we are not selecting all column values. We are going to select specific 2 column values. Yes. Okay, those 2 column values related properties we have taken. That means we are defining our own type. We are defining our own type to hold 2 values. And I don't go by interface. Assume it's implementation class. It's implementation class that is going to come. In the implementation class, this interface, these 2 methods are implemented and also maintains the properties to receive and hold name and country values. That entire class generation is not my headache. That entire class generation is the responsibility of what? Spring Data JPA. Okay. Now listen. Result view, iCorona repo. Entity classes need not to implement this interface. Why entity classes should implement? Entity, I said na, implementing this interface, one in-memory proxy class will be generated. Keep the habit of listening completely, right, dirty fellows. First listen completely. Without seeing complete text, only questions. First see and completely now what's happening, where I am using, where I am not using. Why are you assuming on your own? Why are you? I'm saying proxy class will come implementing this interface. Again, someone says entity class should implement. What entity class will do by implementing this? Right. Now, what is the point to be observed? List result view. This is the point to be observed. Okay, guys. We are not taking that one as a return type. We are involving in the return type. Did you notice that, boss? Step number 3. Okay. Declare. Okay. Develop service layer code for the above. Come on, guys. For the above finder method. Finder method accordingly. Finder method accordingly. Okay, array, I am defining my own type which is capable of holding 2 property values. Understanding my point there? Yes. Sandeep Kumar, I said static projection. When I say static projection, you want one more property, you add one more getter method in this interface or go for another one. Listen, Ra Babu, listen. Yes. Okay. Remove these guys. Public. First, accept the fact. Accept the fact. Result view interface will be implemented by Spring Data JPA by providing one in-memory proxy class. Their getter methods will be implemented. Properties will be generated, having capability to receive and store. Having capability to receive and store those specific two column values of each record, because our select query also going to come based on the specific two properties only, right? Now listen carefully. Public list, result view. First see the story, entire story. Result view, tell me. Search vaccines by price range. Price, start price. Search vaccines by start price. Now tell me, double start price. Declaration of the method was. Declaration of the method. Okay, this is service interface, guys. This code is in service interface. And this code is in service interface. Yeah, bit complex, boss. Bit complex. There is a process to follow. Next one. Step number 4. Not step number. Let me develop the implementation class. Implementation class. Where is this? Done. Okay. Array, we are defining our own type. That is what I'm trying to say. Delete everything except last method. Yes, we are having our own result view, guys. Okay. Corona report dot. What is this? Find by price greater than. Find by price greater than or equal to. Okay. Start price. Yes, here also I am maintaining start price as it is. Done, guys. Go to runner class now, my dear. In runner class, how to call this method? How to call this method? I'll give in both ways, guys. First, I will give simple way. Simple way. Result view list is equal to. Result view list vaccines is equal to. Service dot search vaccines by start price. Okay, 500 dot 500. Control plus shift plus O, guys. Now listen. List vaccines dot for each. Okay, this time I cannot write system dot out dot println through method reference. Why? ToString method is not there to display the object data directly. Got it, my point? So that's why what should I do? Each iteration will give me vaccine. Each iteration will give me vaccine. Yeah, open for bracket is optional, guys. If you are interested, you can remove that because we are going to write single line statement now. That's why. System dot out dot println. Okay. Vaccine dot. Now tell me what you will get, what type you will get. Vaccine type is result view type. Vaccine type is not corona. What is that? Corona vaccine. Now vaccine type is what? Result view. In result view, how many getter methods are there, my dear? Get name, space. Array vaccine type is now result view, right? Okay. Now tell me. Vaccine dot get country. That's it, boss. Vaccine dot get country. Yes, this is the other thing that we have to do. Let me run it. Now I'm going to get all column values or specific two column values. I'm definitely going to get specific two column values. What's happening? No, it's running previous one, boss. It's executing previous one. Okay. Let's go for run as. Okay. I think here changes are required. Here changes are required. Main class has to be changed. Here, what is the main class, guys? 05 JP. Okay, 05, fine. Here also we will go for 05. 05. File name we have to change. Okay, guys. Ashish, yes, you will get all the records. See where you are selecting specific two columns. We are not selecting columns, na? How you are telling to? Yes, see guys, specific two column values are coming or not? Are you understanding my statement? That means we are able to define our own type or not. Ashish says, query is giving all columns and printing two property values is the better solution. You and your dirty thought. Ashish has got great doubt, guys. Check it out. Sir, retrieve everything, print two things. Is it called retrieving specific two column values? That's what you learned in SQL. You are not interested to print remaining columns, but actually you are getting all the things, na boss. Suppose 100 columns table is there. You want to get 20 column values. Then you will still get 100 columns, huh? Are you getting my point? Are you getting my point? I am defining my own type. See the efforts of Spring Data JPA. It is allowing us to define our own type, having our choice properties. But at the same time, you need not to develop that type from the scratch level, having properties as a class. Just to have a declaration of getter methods, entire story of preparing type, taking that interface, implementing, everything is taken care by whom? Everything is taken care by whom? Proxy class. Every activity is taken care by proxy class. Sir, you are writing only getter methods. No setter method, no properties. All are will be generated in the in-memory proxy class, guys. All of them will be generated in the in-memory proxy class. Otherwise, how I am getting the things? Then why are you declaring getter methods? Otherwise, how does it knows you are interested on which two properties? Setter method it is giving. Getter method it is giving. Two param constructor required it is giving. Properties declaration it is giving. Why are you writing those getter method at least? You should not write those two getter methods also, right? Otherwise, how does it knows? How does it knows? Rajesh Magar, you are not listening class, guys. Rajesh Magar, this is the last warning. Next time I will remove you from the meeting if you ask this kind of dirty questions like this. After listening entire Ramayana is saying, sorry, generate two in-memory classes. I said 5 times that statement. Dirty fellow, muddy fellow. Jump into the drainage after the class. Rajesh Magar, you are thinking parallel. You are not listening class properly. Guys, tell me how many times I said here two in-memory proxy classes will come. Now he's freshly asking question. Sir, here two in-memory proxy classes will come. Rajesh Magar, last warning to you. First listen, then think parallelly. You're listening off and thinking more. Muddy fellow. Don't come to class only to think. First listen, keep the habit of listening class. I don't know from which item world you people came, guys. I shouted like anything. Here 2 in-memory proxy classes will come. Here 2 in-memory. After entire class is asking, sir, here 2 in-memory proxy classes will come. Then what donkeys you are catching so far? Right, 2 in-memory proxy classes. One implementing our type interface. Other one is implementing our repository interface. Is that clear, guys? Okay, fine. If you want, you can feel that also. You want to get. I think everything is clear, guys. Very simple, Ra Babu. Our Corona entity class is having 6 properties. I am not interested to select all the 6 columns. Okay. But selecting 6 columns, just displaying 2 property values, also waste of time, waste of performance. So that's why, but there is no class. There is no class just having 2 properties. I want Spring Data JPA to generate such class. But how does it know? It has to generate it has to generate class having only these 2 properties out of 6 properties. You just specify their getter methods. You just specify their getter methods. Implementing these getter methods, generating setter method, taking two properties, 2 variables representing these getter methods. Everything is done by Spring Data JPA. That means it is generating one custom type for holding 2 properties. It is generating one more class internally holding 2 property values. Okay, suppose if you don't take this interface, what you have to do, you have to take a class having 2 properties and getter setter methods. Are you getting my point? So, but Spring Data JPA people don't want to see programmer doing everything. That's why they are asking, give me getter method. Remaining entire drama I will run. Remaining entire drama I will run. Are you understanding my statement, guys? What is the drama? Implementation of getter method, declaration of 2 properties, and setter method and other relevant method, making it as a proper type class of type Java bean is taken care by this one, Spring Data JPA. Is that clear, guys? Everyone understanding my statement? If you want, you can feel there are 2 in-memory proxy classes. Go to service, guys. Go to service class. Yes, here is the service. In this service, suspicion Java, why you are using reflection API, or dirty fellow? Entire drama is done by whom? Spring Data JPA. Fine. Okay. Entire drama is done by Spring Data JPA. You need not to do anything. You need not to do anything. Okay. So first of all, let me print sysout corona repo dot get class. This is the one place. I'm printing one place. Now come here. Go to the client application. Go to the client application. Sysout vaccine. Vaccine type is what? Get class. Vaccine type. Come here. Come here. See, guys. $proxy66. $proxy66 is repository related in-memory proxy class. This is Result view related. Why it is coming multiple time? Because multiple time we are in the loop now. That's why. Dollar proxy 73. Dollar proxy 73 is related to our type class. Type result view related in memory proxy class. Are you getting my point there or not? Okay, 1 minute. I don't want to give up. I want to make you people. Vaccine dot. Okay, guys. Right, guys. Shaker, we are defining our own type. We are defining our own type. Are you getting my point? Okay. Vaccine dot get class dot get class dot get declared methods. Get declared methods where we can see get declared methods. Here we are having arrays dot toString. Arrays dot toString. Control plus shift plus O. Yes, guys. Now listen once again. I'm trying to print what are the methods that are there. Multiple times I am printing, but have a look on it. Get decorated class, get target class, lot of hangama. Get name, see get name equals method, so many array, toString method, hash code method. Okay, get target. So lot of hangama will happen, boss. Get country, and lot of reflection API stuff also will take place. You are least bothered about worrying about it. Are you understanding my statement, guys? So, so that means total how many in-memory proxy classes are there? 2 in-memory proxy classes are there. Did you realize that? Okay. So now let me go for it. Service IMPL class. Service IMPL class. Where is service IMPL class, guys? Okay. Service IMPL class. Next, runner class. This is runner class. Step number 4, develop the runner class. Develop the runner class. Okay, boss. Develop the runner class. Okay, Naveen, joins is a separate topic. I will take later. Joins is a separate topic. JRK Kaladar. If you don't give interface as you suggested, we need to declare a class, name and country, then we need to write, yes, you should write all those things manually. Okay, develop the runner class. Note. Here, 2 in-memory proxy classes will be generated. Classes will be generated. Okay. Number 1, for result view class. Result view interface. Result view interface. Number 2, for repository interface. What is that? Corona vaccine repo interface. Corona vaccine repo interface. Okay, boss. Here, result view interface acts as type interface, custom type interface, whose implementation class objects becomes capable of holding specific multiple property values, or column values whose getter methods are declared. In the type interface. Okay, guys. Fine, boss. Right. Array, taking entire POSO for the sake of 2-3 properties is meaningless, right? And moreover, when Spring Data says, I will give the proxy class, I will take care of gathering data, putting them into properties, then why are you thinking about taking separate Java bean having specific multiple properties? Really not required. We should appreciate Spring Data JPA very much, guys. It's a really nice approach. Because in-memory proxy classes are dynamically generated classes, no burden to the memory boss, no burden. On the fly they come, on the fly they go off. I hope everyone enjoyed static projections, guys. Static projections. Right, guys. Thank you. Tomorrow when we meet, we will discuss. Okay, tomorrow when we meet, we will discuss. We will go for what? Dynamic projections. Okay, Shaker, if you want to change projections, that means number of properties time to time, then we have to go for dynamic projections, or you have to take multiple type interfaces. Right. Santosh, in case of only equal condition, we are able to achieve with the help of example object, entity object, to order result possibility to sort and other one. Is there any possibility to pass conditions along with the example object apart from JPQL? No, JPQL is the only solution, boss. If you want to write custom conditions, you have to go for JPQL. No other option. JPQL you have to use. Okay, guys. Thank you, guys. Have a nice time. We'll meet tomorrow. Right. Array, dynamic projections also deals with multiple interfaces. But those interfaces will have a relationship, that nothing else. Don't think much about dynamic projections. Thank you. Have a